What's up guys? Good morning. So welcome to what might be my first vlog on, well, wala pa akong channel, I think. We are taking our Suzuki Espresso today for its first PMS. Ayan po siya, ating Suzuki Espresso. Well, we call our Suzuki Espresso unit brew for brewed coffee basically. So ayan, this is our, not necessarily an upgrade, but for comfort and of course handling. Yung mismong handlebar yung manubela kasi ni brew madulas pagka malamig na, di ba? Kasi alam naman natin maganda yung lamig ng aircon ng ating 2024 Suzuki Espresso. So ito yung upgrade natin sa kanya. Very good cover. Yan. So pina carbon fiber siya kunwari, and then the Suzuki logo right there. And then ito, napaka-comfortable niya for long drives kasi meron parang rest yung thumb natin. So saan ba nabili ito? Kay Shopee. Ayan. So ito, we've bought this leather sort of like organizer. Dito minsan lalagay ko yung aking action camera, SJ-Cam 110 Plus baka naman. Ayan. So minsan din may mga coins or cards pagka long drive, so lalagay ko siya dyan. And then we also have this mirror. Ayan. So we have this mirror for our Disney princess, passenger princess. So not much pa naman. Ito, we've got a parang cover for the key. It's made of leather. And then ayan yung ating wire for the Apple CarPlay. So ayan. So ayan, alis na ako in a bit. We'll be bringing this to Suzuki Sakura here in Dumaguete for its first PMS. Kasi ngayon umabot na siya ng 1,123 na kilometers na natakbo. So ayan. So question ng iba lagi, di ba? Para bang ang dami-daming sasakyan. Why do people choose Suzuki Espresso? Or in this case, bakit ko pinili ang Suzuki Espresso? For one, in my experience, actually ang dami ko nang nawakan ng sasakyan. Not necessarily owned, because sa Manila, my family runs or owns a rent-a-car company. And mainly ang aming mga clients are Japanese. So alam naman natin mga Japanese lagi nagpapalit ng mga sasakyan. So yung requirements nila sa amin is every 5 years magpapalit din ng sasakyan para sa aming mga Japanese clients ng company na we're serving. So I've driven small to medium vehicles to include the likes of Fortuner, Toyota Vios, Avanza, Starex, Grandia, and Mitsubishi Lancer, Honda Civic, Honda Cities, you name it. Medyo ayun na nga, wala kaming mga high-end na sasakyan kasi nga it's just a rent-a-car company. And now that I'm based here in Visayas, medyo maliliit ang mga kalsada dito sa Visayas, no? Particularly in Dumaguete where I'm mainly based out of. So pinili ko yung Suzuki Espresso. Of course, number one, maliit siya. It's a really compact vehicle. And then you know, madali siyang isuot sa mga kalsadang maliliit. And then madali din siyang i-park kasi kitang-kita mo again dahil sa liit. And ang pinaka-importante din is it's just so fuel efficient, as in I on a weekly basis I go back and forth Bacolod to Dumaguete, and then umakit ako sa Don Salvador Benedicto, which is medyo matarik, and then it calls for some experienced driving skills kasi mahirap yung packet pababa doon sa Don Salvador. A lot of people would agree, lalo na yung mga taga Bacolod and yun na, yung mga frequent long drive travelers going from other places, you know. So si Suzuki Espresso has enough power to go up in the mountains, and impressive fuel efficiency is another thing na maganda sa kanya. And ako, I like the looks kasi ang cute niya eh. And then ako kasi wala pa akong family, So, meron lang akong isang passenger princess. And then, rarely naman na may sakay kami sa likod. So, ginagamit namin siya for negosyo din. For carrying around the stuff that we need to move from one place to another. So, ayan yung reason as to why I chose the Suzuki Espresso. AGS is what we have. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Nandito na tayo sa Suzuki Auto Dumaguete. And yan po si Bru. Getting ready for our first PMS. Ayun, sakali may magtanong, yan po yung ating mags, Race Sport 5599 if I'm not mistaken. I got this sa Bacolod, and then we have the Arrivo Premio ARZ1, size is 185/60 by R15. We tried yung 185/70, sumasayad na po siya. So dito sa mags na to, which is Rim 15, recommended is 185/60 R15. And then yan, walang lifter, walang kahit ano. Yun lang talaga siya. And then how does it ride? So far wala ako na feel na tagtag compared sa stock mags and wheels. Ang na-notice ko actually mas tahimik yung Arrivo na ganito na tire. So lalo na frequently akong umaano. Offset is 35, kung tama ba ako? PCD 100 pa rin siya. So as you can see, yung stock lug nuts lang ginamit ko. So ang plano ko kasi dun sa, ayan, meron dito na, ayan, naka-stock mugs dito. I think for releasing din siya. So yan, yung stock mugs na Rim 14. And then ang plano ko is lagyan ko siya ng rough terrain na tires. So just in case na kailangan namin mag-off-road, camping, minor, ganyan. Yun yung ikakabit ko sa aking Espresso. So, ito siya ulit. Ayan. So, dito, Suzuki Dumaguete, super amazing ang service. Mga tao, kalma lang. Sobrang kalma. Ayan. Sobrang dami ng Espresso owners dito sa Dumaguete. So, ito yung kanilang stockyard. Dito, yung mga, ayan, may halo. May Ford dito. Meron ding Suzuki. Wow, ayan, may mga Desire. Tapos Espresso, and ayun, merong Jimny. Ayan, so may Desire din dito. Ayan o, ganda ng Jimny. Ayan, ganda talaga ng Jimny, no? Sana all. Someday soon. So ito may 5-door pala dito. 5-door na Jimny. Tapos may orange na Espresso. Ayan o. Yun, may Ford Raptor. Yan, may Ranger na Wildtrak. So guys, ito yung loob ng showroom ng Sakura Auto World Dumaguete. Ayan, so free coffee. May lounge, makakapag-relax. And then ayan, I think for releasing na naman tong Suzuki Jimny na 5-door. Tapos may awning na, oh. Tapos may roof rack. And then I think napalitan na kagad yung mags. Ayan, kasi may road cruiser na rin na gulong agad. Ganda. And ready for releasing ata yan. So I think yung items na yan galing dyan sa Thai Auto Works, so Tips Auto Yard. Isa sa mga number 1 nag-modify ng mga sasakyan dito for overlanding, off-roading, camping. Yan, marami silang gamit dyan. Then ayan yung Suzuki XL7 na hybrid. Yan yung parang test drive nila na unit. And then you also have the 5-door Jimny. So ayan, sa loob ng Suzuki Auto World. Okay, so ayan si Bossing, in-install na yung ating seat covers. Sir, hello sa camera. Ayan, so, ating mga gamit sa likod. May kama po tayo para pag magka-car camp. Ayan. So, yun. Ayan po. So, we are done with our first PMS. And we are good to go. Ayan. So, dumating to ngayon from Shopee. It's sort of like a carbon fiber sticker. So protection, extra protection lang sa door. Deep dish matting. Ito pala, nakalimutan ko i-mention. Sinama namin to for the SJ camera. Itim ng ating seat covers, which is really good. Corduroy. Not necessarily leather, pero kaysa naman yung gray na I heard galing minsan sa ibang dealers. How was my experience with Suzuki? Magandang service. Very approachable yung mga tao, mga staff. May mga questions ka, napaka responsive naman nila. They will give you the information that you need. Kasamang car wash. So salamat again Suzuki Auto World Dumaguete for the great service that I've gotten today. And ayan, hindi naman nakakapagtaka kung bakit marami din silang kliyente. So ayun, and we're on our way back home to the office na. So I think that's gonna be it for my my mini vlog for today. And yun. So on to the next vlog. Thank you very much.